Yo guys, welcome to YouTube channel guys. Welcome back to my channel guys. So this is a song trendy right now on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, yada guys. It's trending everywhere literally guys. You can put it here anywhere guys. So first of all, if you are new here, can you subscribe to my channel down below, like this video, share your friends and family guys. In case you do this tutorial for my channel, like just put hashtag Teoluckzboom guys. Hashtag Teoluckzboom. So we go first things first. Now let's dive right into this dance challenge. I think it's called no hands dance challenge and no hands dance challenge. So basically I've been doing this dance ever since. Right now man, just stay right now, but let's get this dance started. So first things first, you have to do this the hitting part. So we're hitting 6 times guys, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basically. So we're hitting 6 times. So all you have to do is go out, squat, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 guys. Basically that's the first time guys. So when you all the things roll me down. All the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think guys, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the first step guys. So all that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember your legs should be open. Close, open, close. As the first step on this guy, basically. So, first things first, something like that. Basically, the dance. The first step on the dance, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below, guys. Because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe down below, basically. Let's get the channel boosted, guys. Get the channel boosted. This is a trendy song. I think I posted some shots about it already. Some few shots already about it. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. The side is 4 times basically guys. So something like this. That's it guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drag. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Your fourth punch, basically if you're punching, your fourth punch is attracting it forward. So it's drag, then pull back. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Your 10th punch is pulling you forward, then you're dragging it back. And you drag it back. And you swallow it like just chest it, then turn around. And you look back. Shake your shoulders. Let's go on the start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drag. Back. Hit your shoulders forward. Your right shoulder. So basically, this is your right hand and this is your left hand. So hit your right shoulders forward. So let's go on the start one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You wanna get down to me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drag. Back. So listen guys, so you hit your shoulder forward like this. If you are following me guys, kindly subscribe down below to the channel. Let's go. Once you hit your shoulder, let's go. Let's do some dance concept. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Drag. Back. Then you do your leg like this. The right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While you are playing drums with your hand. So there's a beat in this part of the song, basically, which is leading. There's a beat there, basically. So you're using that beat to dance it. You get right? You guys get right? So you're basically using that beat to dance this part of the dance. So something like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you gonna 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, move 8, 9. Drag. Back. I think guys. Back. You drum your hands and your legs together. Make sure they're following each other. So it's let's go 5 on the start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Bang, 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 bang. Easy. Bang, 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 bang. So guys, I don't know the lyrics of this song right now, so you guys follow me with my bang, 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 bang. Follow me, guys. Let's go. Now after that, the next step on this dance tutorial is basically you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. Let's go from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are serving this forward basically. And your leg is doing. Please. Let's go. Listen, guys. So you are serving forward. You are moving forward also. Don't stay in one place. You are stand forward. So that's it. Now once you start forward, let's say you are doing like this. So after you do that, next thing you jump to you move to your side. You move to your side, guys. If you are okay, that's how you move to your right leg side. So it slides. Then you jump, you throw something away. It slides. Jump, throw something away. Are you following, guys? Let's go, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, throw something away. Are you following, guys? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, something away. That's that step. That's basically. Hope you guys are following. If you're not following, in case you need explanation on particular step, let me know in the comment section basically. So let's go one more time again. One more time. Let me know in the comment section in case I need any explanation. Let's go. I'm already dancing the full dance again. And tutorial. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So that's that for that. So after you do this, 1, you snap, go to the side, you scroll, you jump, you drop your hand like this, forward, back, side, push, drop. You know, guys, for me, I'm thinking the freestyle there, but many people are doing probably almost the same thing. So if you learn tutorial to this extent of the dance, you have tried. You have literally what? Tried. So let's go. Let's dance that up to this extent that I've learned it to. Then from there, you freestyle. Because me teaching you that step right now will be an answer for you guys. I want this dance to be as easy as possible. When I promise to be an answer for you guys. Please like this dance tutorial. Kindly follow me, subscribe to this channel. Like, subscribe to this channel, guys. Comment in the comment section. So guys, let's do that one more time. One more time. You know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, jump, okay, close, slide. Make sure I end the dance with this step. Listen, guys. So this is the best way to end the dance. I just have to do this tutorial for you guys that are out there, so you guys can know that we can do dance. We can dance even the hardest dance. We can dance it even the hardest dance. Together, all of us, we can make it happen. Please, like this channel, subscribe for me, guys. Subscribe for me, guys. Let's get 5,000 subscribers, basically. Let's do dance one more time for you guys. It's an epic dance. As you can see, guys. As you can see, I'm sweating over here right now. I'm literally sweating right now. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know where the Charlie is like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This dance is sweet, that guy. It's consuming energy. You need energy to dance the dance. Rover, thanks for this dance, bro. You need to dance this dance, guys. Because like this dance tutorial, can you subscribe to this channel? Like this video, please do this tutorial for my channel. Put hashtag Teoluckzboom your videos, and I will share for you guys. I will post a video for you. Make sure to watch 2 videos over here. Remember, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You know what you're just in time.